So it's been a minute. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So this could be a different type of video. This is mostly an update video of my plans for 2022 and how I'm not happy with my channel right now. So for a while now, I've been making YouTube videos now for over 5 years on this channel, and it has been amazing. Of course, I'm not stopping making YouTube videos, so don't worry, I'm still making YouTube videos. But I'm not happy where the direction of this channel has gone to. So for the past 2 years, I've been working a lot when it comes to my YouTube channel and hoping that it will get past those 2,000 subscribers, which I've been stuck in for a very long time now. And so, I'm not happy about that. I thought I would have grown. I thought my videos that I put out are decent enough to grow, of course, and build an audience. But from the looks of it is that I'm not happy with the videos that I have uploaded in the past. And they're not good videos, I think. And that's why I haven't grown my channel. My thumbnail game has been off as well. I haven't really done a really decent job on my titles and thumbnails as well. So, but all that is going to change this year. So for a while now, I've been actually now looking back at, of course, in my YouTube analytics, what videos work, what videos don't work, but also doing a lot more work when it comes to designing my thumbnails in my YouTube videos, in my YouTube titles as well. Because YouTube thumbnails, of course, and titles are super important if you want to grow a channel and get people to actually click on your video. So this year I'm putting it that I'm gonna improve my YouTube thumbnails and my YouTube titles as well, because that's super important. I believe my content is really good, it's decent enough that I enjoy watching it. Like if I enjoy watching it, then hopefully other people will enjoy watching it as well. And I believe there's an audience, hopefully. But also there's some changes coming in 2022, not only with titles and thumbnails, but also the type of content I'm going to be releasing in future videos. So they're going to be a little bit more different videos. They're still tech related videos, but much more out there, not too much about apps and iPhones too much, but more about technology news, technology stuff. That's what I'm really into, and that's what I really loved when it comes to making tech videos in the early days when I started out making YouTube videos. It was being able to talk about these type of stuff. But then of course I got to focus too much on the apps and setups and everything, and I'm just getting kind of bored of them, making those type of videos. So I'm not really enjoying them too much, and I think it's showing in the content that I'm releasing, where I'm not happy about it. And I think a lot of people, YouTube is not sharing it too much with that, so my channel's not growing. So a lot of that's going to change this year in 2022. So there's not going to be a lot more, there's not going to be a lot of content being pushed out. I'm still going to be releasing YouTube Shorts. Since YouTube Shorts is super easy, of course, to create with your iPhone. You just click on the camera app and just create a quick 60-second short, which I'm still going to be doing. And I think I found a rhythm when it comes to YouTube Shorts, talking about Apple News and all that stuff, since a lot of people really enjoy that type of stuff when it comes to short content. But when it comes to long form content, a lot is changing, and I have been looking back of different ideas of where I can improve my long form content in this channel. So hopefully this year 2022 will be the year that I reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and where I'm actually happy and doing a lot of the videos that I really enjoy doing. Not to say that a lot of the past videos I did not enjoy doing. I really did enjoy doing that. That's why I did them. But I'm not happy where the direction of my work and everything, a lot of my work that I have done and everything, I'm not happy with the results that YouTube, with my YouTube channel and everything, and how it hasn't really grown how I visioned it and imagined it would. So hopefully 22 will be the year that I make better content for you, because you're the ones that subscribe and are actually watching the videos, and hopefully you will enjoy the content that I'll be releasing this year in 2022. So other than that, I'm still making YouTube videos. It was just a quick little update on the channel and what my vision and future is for this channel. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.